When I arrived in New Zealand, I remember being on the plane. I think we were flying for maybe three days. We had to stay in Singapore, then Dubai. My mum will always pinch me on the plane saying, "We're here, get up, get up, get up," when we haven't reached it yet. So it was a bit of an interesting travel. Well, I think the whole poetry and music aspect of it, I write poetry basically. It kind of goes back to when I was growing up and stuff, my parents were, you know, whether it's a celebration or something, or whether we're going through a hard time, they always, you know, sing about it. And, you know, I guess they live their life in a way which is very rhythmic, you know. Oromo people, they truly kind of, it doesn't matter what they're going through, they always find a way to, you know, put a smile on us or on everyone around them. With these books, I think there'll be benefits across the board, yeah, not just only little kids, but people like myself and even the elderly. I could be stuck on one of them. I'll be like, "What is this, Grandma?" And she would tell me, and then I would understand. The message I have for younger Oromo people is, I think, just be true to yourself and always remember where you come from, you know? I think that's the most important thing.